About 4 weeks ago, I received a lovely message from Gail, who is part of the Fully Fashionista community here on YouTube. Gail and daughter Courtney watch the Fully Fashionista videos on Saturday mornings together. They're also looking to update their wardrobes. Gail just wants to give hers a more upbeat feel, and Courtney is transitioning from university student into working professional. They wondered if I would do a video on the approach to capsule wardrobing. The answer is yes. Hello, I'm Karen. I'm a Canadian content creator and the host here at Fully Fashionista. Welcome to Stop the Closet Chaos, Start Styling Your Statement. When I posted the video, One Dress, Four Looks in November, I mentioned transitioning my wardrobe from spring and summer to fall and winter. Well, now we're at the opposite end of that transition, and we're going to transition our wardrobe from fall and winter to spring and summer. It's the perfect time to start your capsule wardrobe. I also mentioned the idea of doing a wardrobe inventory. We're also going to talk about that a little further in this video. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to already say that you've transitioned your wardrobe and your spring and summer clothes are hanging in your closet, because we're going to start your capsule wardrobe with your spring and summer wardrobe. Before going any further, I want to mention this is going to take some time and some effort on your part. This is a transition as you approach the capsule wardrobe. Now, I suggest that you allot at least a minimum of 2 hours to start this process, maybe even half a day. And if you're like Gail and Courtney, maybe you're going to work with a friend on this. There are decisions to be made, and yes, a lot of fun to be had. The first step in approaching your capsule wardrobe is to determine your personal style. There are some who think they don't have a personal style, they have no interest in fashion, and they're always looking at what other people wear. Most are surprised through this simple little exercise. Go to your closet, your spring and summer wardrobe, and pick out 6 to 8 tops. This can include 1 or 2 dresses and 4 bottoms. Now, as you're choosing them, keep in mind you are setting up your practice capsule wardrobe, and all those items should work well together. You should be able to coordinate several outfits from those items. I suggest you have a wardrobe in your bedroom where you're pulling these out so that you can set these aside into their separate wardrobe. Now take a look at the colors that you have hanging on that wardrobe rack. The first question I want to ask is, do you really like all those colors? Chances are you've pulled your favorite pieces that are your favorite colors. Take a picture of the rack as it is with the clothes hanging there. You're going to start an album on your phone and you're going to call it My Statement or Personal Style. This is what we start as our statement board or our vision board. It's going to help you going forward as you put your capsule wardrobe together. Now comes the work and the fun. Start to make up outfits from that rack and put them together. Take pictures of them. You're going to put all those pictures on your phone in your album that you just set up. You're not publishing them anywhere. This is just for you. This is your record. This is your first step to a capsule wardrobe. Now take those items of clothing and put them away. Go through the pictures. Highlight what you like about what you pulled and put together, and make notes of what you didn't like about what you put together there. Putting a capsule wardrobe together is a process, and like I said, it is some work, but it is a lot of fun, and it is very rewarding when you get to the other side of it. Now, getting ready for this video, I went through a lot of videos on YouTube and listened to a lot of stylists, and I was finding the best way to set up an easygoing capsule wardrobe. Some start with 33 pieces and the numbers fluctuate from there. I kept searching because I was thinking about Courtney, who's transitioning from university into the professional workforce. Courtney may not have a lot of clothes right now that are going to work in a capsule wardrobe. So I found the 15-piece capsule wardrobe, and it's very simple. It's a simple countdown from 5. It's 5 tops, and that can include dresses, 4 bottoms, 3 layering pieces. That can be your denim jacket, your sweater, your wrap, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 fun item. That can be a scarf or a funky purse. Now, this is a great time for me to mention, for the purpose of the capsule wardrobe we're going to set up here at Fully Fashionista, we are not including your outerwear, underwear, activewear, your purses, because some people don't change their purse every day with their wardrobe. That's another step that can be added down the road as you expand your capsule. So now let's put that 15-piece capsule wardrobe together by shopping our own closet. That's right, we're going to shop at home in our own closet. Now, when you're choosing the pieces to put in your 15-piece capsule wardrobe, keep in mind they all have to be in the same color palette, because every piece has to work with another piece in your capsule wardrobe to make it work properly. So pick out some prints, some different style tops. You're going to have 5 tops, and again, that can include a couple of dresses. You know, if it's me, it's going to include dresses. I love my dresses. 4 bottoms, jeans, skirts, leggings, 3 layering pieces, and I always suggest you be sure to have a denim jacket in your capsule wardrobe. A denim jacket is a go-to for so many looks. 2 pairs of shoes, and that one fun item. That could be a scarf or a belt. Start putting that together. Now remember, all those pieces have to work together to make this work. Your 15-piece wardrobe, it is estimated, will give you approximately 30 outfits. Now we're going to do what we did when we did our practice capsule wardrobe. Take a picture of the rack and take a look at your 15 pieces. What's going to work together? Now you've got an idea what your personal style is. We've established that. Start putting some outfits together. And again, you're going to take pictures of each and every outfit that you do put together and put it in that album on your phone. You may even want to start a second album if you want, so that it's separate from the first one, so that you don't get those outfits mixed up. The lovely thing about a capsule wardrobe is that it can expand and you can add on to it. So at this point, I would suggest, if you still have clothes in your closet that you're still interested in wearing, that you go and you add more items to your 15-piece capsule wardrobe. And you can do it, and suddenly you would have, say, a 30-piece capsule wardrobe if you have the items in your closet. Now, this is a good time to point out that it may be a good time to think about doing your wardrobe inventory. In One Dress 4 Looks, I mentioned that I always purge clothes when I do my closet transition. That means I'm purging twice a year. Here's time to look at all the items still hanging in your closet and ask yourself, am I going to ever use these again? Go through piece by piece and make up 2 piles. The ones I'm considering keeping and the ones that I really need to get rid of. And you know, this is a great time, and it's a very positive move to get rid of those clothes that we're holding on to for emotional reasons, or we bought on speculation that we were going to lose the weight and we'd be able to wear them, and every time we look at them, we feel bad. Building a capsule wardrobe and styling your statement is to be positive. So if you have those in there, you're done with them, put them in the bag to get rid of. This is all about you and all about you feeling good. Your statement or your personal style is the first thing that greets people when they meet you. If you're confident in your statement, people pick up on that immediately. You'll start to notice there's a little more space in your closet now that you've got rid of those clothes that you no longer need or wear. Put those clothes in a garbage bag and get them ready to either go to charity or a consignment shop. Now you can start to think about putting back your capsule wardrobe into your closet. But mark it where it stops. Those other pieces that you're still thinking about, you can continue to consider those for a while and add them in as you think they'll fit into your capsule wardrobe. If you haven't used them by the end of the season, then they also need to go off to a consignment shop or a charity, because obviously they don't work for your personal style that you created with your capsule wardrobe. Gail, I thank you for sending me that lovely message. I hope you and Courtney have enjoyed this video and found it useful. I would be very interested in seeing some of your photos that you take as you style your statement and get ready for your updated wardrobe and for the professional workforce wardrobe. And to the other viewers today, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know. A special thank you right now to Judy of Hayley Rose Florals, who is continuing to keep spring blooming in our Fully Fashionista studio with the lovely roses. Each and every week you listen to the original music of Troy Neeb, who is a very accomplished and talented musician, and he has given us permission to use his music here on Fully Fashionista. His link is posted below if you'd like to have a listen to more of his original material. We hope you've enjoyed Stop the Chaos, Start Styling Your Statement. And until we meet again, remember to style your statement